So today I want to show a really cool add-on, which is presence simulation within Home Assistant.
This add-on is designed to make your home look occupied when you're away. It looks at your history for things like lights turning on or off, and then replays these patterns. So now you no longer have to do these things manually yourself. Let's run through the installation. First, if you go to Hacks, it may show up here. If not, you need to go to the GitHub page and then click this button. I'll put a link in the description. And then just press download. And then download again. Now you just need to restart Home Assistant. Now I'll run through setting it up. The first thing you'll need to do is create a helper. So go to Devices and Services, Helpers, Create, and then search for Group. Then we want to create a light group, so click Light Group here. And just give your group a name. I'm going to call it Away. And then for members, I'm just going to select all lights. And then just press Submit. Now if you go back to Devices and Services, and then Add Integration, then search for Presence Simulation. Now just give it a name. This name will be used in the automations to kind of toggle it on and off. Now you just need to add that light group that you created already. I'm just going to click Away here. I'm not going to bother adding a label here. Next is Delta Days, which I'm just going to leave as 7, so it'll replay the events of the last 7 days. I'm going to leave the refresh interval at 30 seconds. That's just how quickly it notices its state has changed, like turned on or off. I'm going to click Restore State after simulation, so my lights will go back to the way they were before the simulation started. I'm not going to bother adding any randomness to it. Then just press Finish, and that's it set up. If we click into it, we can see then it's just a switch here that we can use. Now I'll just quickly show the setup of the presence simulation automation. So I have 2 automations set up, one for turning it on and one for turning it off. This is fairly simple. Basically, once myself and my partner are not at home, after a 5-second delay, it turns the presence simulation on and then just sends us a notification letting us know that it's been activated. And then the deactivate one is basically just the opposite of that. When either of us return home, it turns off the presence simulation and sends us a notification. And this is just an example of the notifications that I get. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found that useful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks.